start with a line parallel to a function. Whenever you see something parallel, know that they have the same slope. So now here I have the function f of x equals negative 5x minus 3. What is the slope right here? Negative 5. In a linear function, the slope is always what's being multiplied to the x. So from this function, all I care about is the slope. So here, m is negative 5. So I will be using this right here. And I know that it's passing through the point 2 comma negative 12. So I know that I'm giving an x and a y value. So a linear function is always y equals mx plus b. Parallel lines, they have the same slope, different y-intercept, different b value. So from here, I know that y is negative 12, my m is negative 5, x value is 2, and I'm solving for b. So negative 12 equals negative 10 plus b. Add 10 to both sides. B is equal to negative 2. And my final answer, it's asking me for an equation. So it's going to be y equals negative 5x minus 2. So these two lines are parallel to each other.